Happy Monday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brock Allen here in the NCSU Weather Center. And in case you haven't heard, we have a chance of some winter precipitation tomorrow. And as we look at the advisory map produced by the National Weather Service, Raleigh is under a winter weather advisory with some winter storm warnings up to the northwest along the border counties. And to our south and east, we have some freezing rain advisories. But specifically, our advisory is telling us that we're going to start out as snow, move to ice, and then eventually move over to rain by the end of the afternoon hour. We have the potential for an inch of snow and some light icing, but the big potential out of this storm is for an inch and a half of rain. And as we look at the surface map, high pressure off the New England coast, that's what brought all this cold and chilly air this weekend. And some of that air is lingering over North Carolina. So as the precipitation develops tomorrow, is going to start out as snow, and then as this red line, the warm front, starts to move its way up through North Carolina, transitioning over to all rain by the afternoon hour. Now the low pressure system is starting to develop over Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. It's going to consolidate into one bigger low and move up through North Carolina, giving us the chance of the inch and a half of rain. But for tomorrow, as we look at our class-by-class schedule, at around 9 a.m., temperatures are going to be around 27 degrees, all snow. As we get to the noontime hour, warming up to around 30 degrees with chance of freezing rain, so definitely look out for some slick spots around noon. And then as we get to 3 p.m., temperatures warming just up to above freezing with rain, so shouldn't really have to worry about any more winter precipitation after that. And as we move into tonight, low of around 35 degrees with heavy rain and cold. Winds are going to be east at around 6 to 11 miles an hour, transitioning to a south wind around midnight. And then as we look towards Tuesday, low pressure system finally moving up through North Carolina, giving us that chance of an inch and a half of rain. Tomorrow, high temperatures are going to top out around 59 degrees with rain starting to taper off in the evening hours. Winds are going to be 8 to 14 miles an hour out of the west, with gusts up to potentially 24 miles an hour, so definitely look out for some high winds tomorrow. And as we look towards the week ahead, we see that highs are going to be in the mid to low 50s, with the low temperatures being just around 32, which is very seasonable for this time of year. So from everybody here in the NCSU Weather Center, hope you have a great week. I'm meteorologist Brock Allen.